Hey, in this video I will tell you how you can forward your cPanel complete email in single email. So it's very easy guys. Go to your ProHosty account area, click on login to cPanel account. When you click, it will automatic redirect to your cPanel and find here default email option. When you search default, you get default address option over here. Click on it. It will automatic forward your all domain related ProHosty demo.xyz to your email account. After filling this, click on change. When you click it, it will forward all email to this email like info@prohostydemo.xyz, contact@prohosty.demo.xyz. It will redirect all mail to default mail. So thanks for watching. Bye. Have a great day.